From high-power computing in data centers to high-performance devices at the edge, semiconductors are at the core of the AI technologies that are transforming our digital lives. Advancing AI depends on semiconductor innovations, from intricate device architectures built at the atomic scale to novel chip connections. AI chip construction pushes the boundaries of patterning perfection, requiring an exceptional level of precision that drives the need for KLA's process control solutions. Our comprehensive product portfolio is indispensable for monitoring and controlling the thousands of process steps that create the hundreds of logic and memory devices that are layered and connected using advanced packaging to form a high-performance AI chip. These AI chips and AI-based algorithms are then integrated in our products, enabling more efficient data processing and early discovery of nanoscale defects. AI facilitates unique connection of our products for improved performance and reinvents classification and binning of defects. AI drives more accurate metrology and refinement of fab-wide production data into actionable insights. Using AI, KLA tools make better, faster decisions, so manufacturers can too. We use AI to help produce the chips that power AI. This synergy shapes the future, expanding the possibilities for technology and the people who use it.